Page 161. This is the Czerny study number 8 in the book. This particular study I happen to like, and I could recommend this one because this is a trill study, and I could use a lot of work on trills. Right here at the beginning, in the right hand, you have these trills. They've written them out, but it's like a trill. Keep them even and controlled, and try and put an accent on the beat. 1, 2. And you can rotate the hand a little bit to help you out. You don't have to do it all with just fingers. Especially with the last measure, the first line on 4th and 5th, try rotating a little bit. Can help out on that quite a bit. Then when you get down to the 3rd line, you get both hands going. This is great. I like this. Yes, I like this very much. I would highly recommend number 8. Slowly and gradually work it up. This is something you just keep going on. Just keep playing it. Just real slow. 1, 2, 3, 2. Going on. So the last couple of lines is a bit challenging because you're going up and down. I mean, it's here. If you can play the D major scale, this is easy. If you can't play it, you're going to struggle.